Sir, hearty welcome to Real Home Real Estate Services, sir. I'll be comfortable in English more than Hindi, sir.
Okay.
So, as Srinivas Naidu garu initiated this concept, so our company is Real Home Real Estate A to Z Services, and it's a ISO certified company, and we have 1,25,000 associates right now, and we are happy to have you here, and we are very much very much happy that we will be working shortly in association.
Yes.
So our concept is like we are also going on a customer satisfaction motto. Like customers our caption says best deals, best price. So ultimately, what in the channel distribution channel, we are having many barriers. Like we have wholesalers, retailers from the company and manufacturer and all. So we have a lot of costs incurred, and those costs are being levied upon the customer. So when we have a tie-up and we can offer them at a better price, so customers will get associated with us. And we have a franchisee network pan-India, and we are very strong in AP and Telangana. So we have 114 offices open, and we have 1,24,000 associates registered with us. So why are these associates getting joined with us? So we are starting our concept with real estate. But what we are doing is we have multiple options of earning. As you told that only single source of income or a primary source of income is not being sufficient for a family to run. So they are looking for an alternative income. So many people are working with network marketing and all. So we have this network built within our company. So when we bring in different products and different services, we can deliver customers the more services and products. So ultimately, they get joined with us and we can work together. So once again, hearty welcome to our officer, and I'm very happy that you shared your experience, and when you are 14 only you started, and you are also you shared one of the lines like you wanted to generate revenue. So even Srinivas Naidu garu also has the same plan, and we have some 3,000 computer operators shortly joining our network. So we are shortly appointing them.
Yes.
So and these are also part of our extended family.
Okay.
So we are happy to have you here once again. Thank you, Jay Hind, sir.
Thank you.
नमस्कार मैम
Super.